Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Andre Miller here, back with another great video for you. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about 5 data entry jobs to make money online. So if you're looking for data entry jobs, you want to learn how to make some money just by inputting some information, this is going to be something that you're going to need where you can get started like right away. So if you're brand new, I should say, and this is your first time here, don't forget to like, subscribe, become a part of the family. I make a ton of videos about how to make money online, entrepreneurship. So there's a lot of videos that you can dive in and you can get started like right away. So for my regulars, I want to say happy to have you here. It's always a pleasure to have you here watching my videos over and over again. So if you're brand new, let me know in the comments where you're watching this from, and make sure you stay all the way to the end, because I'm going to share with you these 5 data entry jobs to make money online. So let's get started and let's just dive into it. So the first website I'm going to be talking about is a website that is called ZCaster. And basically what ZCaster is, it's just a event family orientated. It doesn't matter all ages. So let's say that you're staying home and you want to go out to the park. You have your kids, you want to take them out, and it's raining. So it's raining, you don't even know where to take them. So this is like a library of events. So activities that people would like to search for, this is where they'll come. So it's a library of events and finding different options and different ways how to entertain the kids. Because let's be honest, sometimes you have your kids at home and you don't know exactly what you can do if you had major plans. So it's like a last minute thing, and you could do data entry for these people. So if you scroll all the way down to the bottom right here and you click on we're hiring, once you click on that section, then you can come over here and you can read it. So make the internet a better place takes the work of many. So they're like an entire team that puts it all together. And if you'd like to apply, all you have to do is just come on here and look at this. They're paying $15 an hour just to do some data entry. So 5 to 20 hours per week, you choose when to work, you set up your own schedule, and you can do it whatever time you want. So you need a reliable internet connection, and all our data entry job is done remotely. So it doesn't matter where you are. And they're looking for a wide range of interest. So data entry can be exactly work. So we want you to love the subject that you're working with. So they don't want you to do something that you're not passionate about. So that's why they say pick a topic that you love. So what you'll be working on, a sample of event and a sample point interest. So if I click on the event area, you can see the different things that they're looking for. So they're giving you places that you need to fill out depending on your location. So you come on here and you could see the different times and you work around it, and you can report mistakes. You can see that there's errors and how it all works. So you can click on where it says Stagecoach Tavern. You can click on the URL, and then you can find out how it all works. So this is features of handpicked selection of extraordinary rare entertainment presents. So they want you to give a review data entry on this. So in order for you to do this, you want to put your name, put your email, put a phone number, available hours per week, available start time, and you want to put in how did you hear from us, which of course you heard from YouTube. You upload your resume, and then you can get started right away. So this, I'm not quite sure if this is a worldwide thing, but you could just try it out and see if it works for you. I know it looks like it is a US company. So the next website I'm going to share with you is OneSpacecom. So OneSpace.com. So they are looking for people that want to talk more about like in the e-commerce, e-commerce space. So product content optimization and the speed of e-commerce. So today, the idea of the I level is buy level. So they want you to look at the different products, how they are arranged on the specific website, give your feedback. They work with Amazon, Walmart, Sam's, Petco, Target. So these are all outlets, and they are looking for you to give them feedback. So data-driven e-content solution, how do I ensure my products are visible in the search results? Those are some of the questions. Am I answering my customers' critical pre-purchase questions? How do I know when a product content to be optimized? How do I scale the product content? So these are a few of the things that they want you to look at. So they're going to give you some tasks. You're going to go on these websites, see if the product or whatever they give you stands out to you. And then that's how you're going to input and put in your data entry. So if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you can click on careers. Once you click on the career section, find your space. I like that. And then you click on the current opportunities. We're seeking fearless, trailblazers, all the type of stuff. So once you come through here, they're looking for a quality assurance analysis, software engineer, and all different things. So you could do data entry for them. Interested in joining our freelance team? View our openings. So once you do that, they're telling you, well, they're soon to be back. They always update this all the time on a consistent basis. I know that for sure. Always update this. So just come on here and see how you could be a part of OneSpacecom. And right over here, the next website is figure8.com. So figure-8.com. Figure-8 is excuse me, a website that basically talk about, right here, as you can see, honesty, humility, grit, performance. So it's a cultural-based company, and they talk about a lot of different things. It's very diverse, and they just want to look for people who can get the job done. So they also have some openings. So if you're in the San Francisco, California area, here are some openings that are available for you. If you're in the Washington, D.C. area, you can do this as well. So you could click on where it says sign up. The sign up section is actually if you want to be a part of what they have going on. But if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you could do some data entry. If you click on here, is like data enrichment. You click on careers, and it will just take you over to the career section where, as I was mentioning earlier, these are some of the opening positions. So locations are here listed, but it's not only for this specific locations. They are looking for data entry section, so you can click on where it says data enrichment. And then once you click on here, then you could scroll through here. You could see business data collection, product categorization, and the list goes on and on and on. So talk to an expert. You could do that just by learning. Once again, you can click on the sign up tab there, and you can get started for them like right away. And also what you could do as well, you could check on here where it says, what is data training? If you click on the data training area, it will give you some more information about data, how you can be, excuse me, how you can data collection, data categorization, and you could just click on transcription as well. Data collection, you could do that for them. So if you click on it, it will just take you over to how you can collect data for them, right? And then, yeah, there's a lot of information that you can learn on here. So figure-8.com. So head on over to the next website. It's called SigTrack. SigTrack is, you got to be in the US for this one, unfortunately. So what is SigTrack? It's like a database application, and they want you to put in as much information as possible. So they're looking for stuff like job specs, like YouTube videos. We're accepting new users, so they're looking for people. How do I start? How do I start? How do I get paid? If you want to click on how do you get paid, of course you want to have a PayPal account and you get paid right away. You can click on here and you can get started. And once you come on here, you're going to need a computer for this one, running Windows Pro Edition or higher. If you got a Mac, 10.0 12 or later version, you're up for the running. So you got to be in the US, of course. You got to have a computer. And how do I sign up? Alert May 29, we're updating a commercial email server to handle more volume. During this update, email you sent us may bounce. So today's the 30th. That was yesterday. So I'm sure they're working on it. So you just got to wait for a little bit and just, maybe like tomorrow you could sign up for it, because tomorrow is a brand new day, brand new start, and you can just see if you can get a job on here, right? So right over here, this is like micro workers. Micro workers, they have a lot of data entry jobs on here. You just come on here, you just sign up. Once you sign up, you can take multiple different surveys and you can get this done within minutes or whenever you're ready to get started. So scroll through here, see how you'd like to sign up. You can use any one of these. You can sign up for micro workers. And if you click on the section blog, click on the blog area, it will take you over. This is like a very old school style blog. It looks kind of weird, but it still works. So you can click on register. And once you click on register, you could just fill this out. And for this one is Indeed worldwide. So that's a good thing about this one. This is worldwide, and you could sign up for this and you can start to do data entry and you can start to make money right away. So once again, this is my YouTube channel. Don't forget, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. You're looking for my #1 recommendation of making money online consistently. Make sure you click on the first link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Andre, and that was the 5 data entry jobs to make money online. See you on the next video. Peace.